Hello, my name is Andrew Caldwell, and today I'm going to be doing a small experiment that is specifically an exothermic reaction. Now, first we need to understand what is an exothermic reaction. An exothermic reaction is a reaction in which sound, heat, or light is emitted from the reaction. Today we're going to focus on just heat being emitted. Now, this is called enthalpy in chemistry. So what we will be seeing is the enthalpy of a reaction, which is the total heat released or kept. In our case, this heat will be released from the reaction. Now, my experiment is very simple, and I think it's good for it to be simple so that we can understand the chemistry behind it. Our materials for this will be standard laundry detergent, anything you can get that's in a powder form. Room temperature water, that's all that's in there, is just room temperature water, and a thermometer. Now, this is a little bit easier with a gun thermometer, but this is all I got, so I'm trying my best to explain this to y'all. One thing I would like to mention is that I will not be touching any of these chemicals or any of these compounds that go into making this reaction. I personally wore no safety equipment because this is simply laundry detergent and water, and all that happens is heat is released. There is no acidic compound or anything dangerous to me or anything around me created. In a bigger situation, you would maybe need to wear some form of heat protectant. In this case, I will not be touching this bowl until it is fully cooled off so I can get it and go dump it out in a safe, secure spot. So what happens when we mix water with laundry detergent? So the most important thing to understand about this reaction is that laundry detergent has a very interesting molecular makeup. So laundry detergent is made up of two ends. One end is hydrophobic. That means that it cannot mix with water and it will not be dissolved. One end is hydrophilic or polar. This means that it will be dissolved in water. So when I pour the water in the laundry detergent, this hydrophilic end that likes to mix with water will mix with water and be dissolved. Now, through this dissolving, heat is released from the reaction, creating what we feel as heat. So what I have here is just my laundry detergent. It's a decent amount, so I can hopefully gauge it here with my thermometer. My water is room temperature, just a cool like 72 degrees, I think was the last time I measured it. So what we're going to do now is just pour the water into the laundry detergent. Now I know y'all can't feel it, but I can feel it from here. It's heating, like it's hot right here. My thermometer is getting some temperatures here, so we're looking at 95 degrees right now, 95.1. And it's going to stable out. 95.1 degrees was how hot this got. All this is laundry detergent and your room temperature water. This is interesting because it doesn't really have any of the crazy big explosions that you have with vinegar and baking soda and elephant's toothpaste. This is very simple. It's just water now. Like, it's not a big huge explosion, but what's released is heat, and that heat comes from the dissolving of the hydrophilic end of laundry detergent and the water, which is the universal solvent. All the universal solvent means is that water dissolves a ton of things and is one of the best things at dissolving your everyday items.